Alright, my next adventure is going to be that mess out there. So the last storm did a little bit of a number on my tarp that I'm using as a carport parking for the bike, as you can see. The ladder was to keep it so the water drains right. And it's done. It finally ripped through. It doesn't hold up anymore. Got a little hole down there. And that's it. So I gotta do something about this. I got to fix this. I gotta build some sort of carport thing. That's just not gonna cut it anymore. It worked for a while. It was cheap. It was a quick fix that my wife got for me. She bought me this and I put it up. It's lasted about 2 years, to be honest with you. You know, I get busy with the fence and all kinds of other projects, and still got more projects going, but I think I'm about to have to do something here. How high are we here? About 8 feet. Yeah, I think if I put a ledger board seal plate right across there, maybe 20 feet long, so it goes right to the edge over here. Let's see. Let's look at what it. Yeah, if I can stop it just about the edge of that, right there. I'll put it right at the edge of that, right before those cables for my internet. And then I can build a little lean-to thing out here on the backside of it. But yeah, let's do that. I have no idea how to build it, so I'm about to make up some stuff. But I got a dental appointment first, so let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna put me a board up across there. Is that gonna be up in the attic? How high is that? 8 feet? Let's see. Oh yeah, we're about 8 feet on the inside. So it's gotta be up high enough to get into the attic. That should be high enough. I'll check it and see. Right up against that should be at the base. I have to get up in the attic and take a look. Gotta think about that part too. All right. This ought to be fun. I might have to look up some plans, draw me up some stuff, and see how far. I maybe need to take a measurement from that vent down. And I can measure the garage where it needs to go. I'd like it to put it right up here against this. If I go right there to this edge, and then come down at an angle from there, coming out. So it has kind of the same angle, and the water will run off easy. Of course, those 4x4s are going to go. Get some new ones. Yeah. All right, let me think on this and pick up some wood.